So I finally completed the garden project that we're doing up in Forest Hill, which is all controlled by wires controllers. Basically we've got lots of spots like these situated down the fence line. These are all on one switch. They come down the fence. There's 3 on the fence line. There's 1 on the shed. And then there's 1 over on that far post. These are all on one switch of a wires controller. We've then got a lot of pendants. So what's that? 15 pendants. Luckily they're all dimmable, so it won't be like Blackpool illuminations. These all come on a different wires controller, along with this tiny little spotlight on the corner here for the barbecue. And we've also got hidden between all the plants some nice little spotlights. So the client has kindly told us that they're going to do a little video at night time, so we can see what effect we actually have with the garden lighting. And we've got a nice little infrared heater just up there, which again is fed off of the wires controller via a contactor, because the wires controllers can only do up to 10 amps and this is just over 10 amps. So yeah, so this is changing a garden in Forest Hill to something which is really quite beautiful. So all right.